Alright, hello third grade, happy Monday. Today for language arts, we're going to be working on synonyms. This will be our last day for synonyms. Tomorrow we'll start working with antonyms. So you're probably wondering, why would we use synonyms in context? Well, remember we don't want to use the same word over and over again in our writing. That would make our writing too repetitive. So this will keep our writing interesting. Instead of saying small 10 times, we can use different words that mean small so that our writing always stays interesting. So now let's go over some synonyms that we might know. Sorry. So remember, synonyms are a word that has the same or similar meaning to another word. So synonyms, they are alike. They are similar. So when we have simple, we could use easy. Mad, we can also use angry. Large, we could use big. Enjoy, we could use like. Giggle and laugh. So these mean that we can change them in a text. So if we're using simple and easy, we can interchange those words. I could say math homework was easy today. I could also say math homework was simple today. They mean the same thing. Same with shut and close, loud and noisy, begin, start, finish, and difficult, hard. So these are all words that are alike. They all have a similar meaning. So what we're going to be doing today is reading two different sentences, and the word in bold is a synonym. We have to find the word that is like that in the next sentence. So Ben's grandpa grew up in a small town. It had a post office and one tiny store. So we're looking at small in this sentence. We have to find what is the synonym, what word is like small, means the same thing in our second sentence. So small just means like, so if this was big, small would be a different size. They're saying small. So if I look here, I know the tiny store also means small. They're both not saying it's a huge store or a huge town. They're both saying that there's not a lot of people, it's a tiny store, there might not be a lot of room. And so to check that, we can also change tiny into small, see if the sentence has the same meaning. So it had a post office and one small store. So that would mean the same thing. We can interchange the words. That's how we know they are synonyms. And we got it. So let's do a few more examples together. So when we look at this sentence, we see every cent, so that's the synonym in bold, that Elizabeth finds goes right into her piggy bank. Every time Sasha finds a penny, she spends it. So now we're looking at cent. We're trying to find a word that has the same meaning as cent in the next sentence. So every time Sasha finds a penny, she spends it. Cent is just one coin. It's one penny because it means one. So a penny is a coin that just means one. So cent and penny are synonyms. And again, we can check by replacing cent with penny and see if the sentence still makes sense. Every time Sasha finds a cent, she spends it. So they're showing that we can interchange them because they have the same meaning. Alright, let's do this last example together. So in our first sentence, Annie's dad can fix just about anything. I bet he could even repair your broken scooter. So our word is fix. So that's when something might be broken and you make it better, new again, you fix it. So we have to find a synonym that means fix. I bet he could repair your broken scooter. So when we're looking through here, fix and repair have the same meaning because repair means you're fixing something that is broken. So remember, we can also change out fix with repair and see if our sentence still makes sense to know if they have a similar meaning. I bet he could even fix your broken scooter. I bet he could even repair your broken scooter. So when we switch out both of those words, they both still make sense in this sentence. That is how we know they are synonyms. So take your time, and while you're going through the standards, switch out the two words that you have, switch them out when you read it, see if the sentence still makes sense. All right, and have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, third grade.